Ukinunua magazeti ya Champion na Sport Extra kila siku utaingia kwenye nafasi ya kujishindia gari mpya. Nunua magazeti ya Champion na Sport Extra.
Sawa, kama nafikiri huu ni mwendelezo wetu na ahadi yetu tuliyokuwa tumeitoa kwamba tutafanya hizi kliniki mara nyingi zaidi, lakini kliniki hii tunaifanya special kwa ajili ya swala la muhimu ambalo limejitokeza sasa hivi. Maana baada ya kliniki yetu ya mwanzo kuna mgeni ambaye tunamtegemea angeweza kuja, ambaye tumemwandalia hasa maalum kwa ajili ya kliniki yake, Dennis Wise, kama tulivyoitangaza katika vyombo vya habari. Project inafuatana na hawa wenzetu wanaokuja kuwachagua sasa hivi. Kama atapata watatu, atapata wanne, inafuatana na vijana wetu watakavyoweza kumwonyesha uwezo wao siku hiyo hapa atakaa.
Na anakuja safari hii mchezaji wa zamani wa Chelsea na pia na profile kubwa kwenye soka duniani. Nyinyi mnapokeaje kupata wageni wa namna hii?
Sisi tunaona kwamba tumepata mafanikio makubwa sana katika mipango yetu, kwa sababu kumpata mtu kama yule ambaye ana experience kubwa katika mpira wa dunia na ni mtu mwenye influence kubwa, tunaamini kwamba itatusaidia katika kutangaza vipaji vyetu hapa kwetu, na inaweza kusababisha tukapata wengine wengi kama yeye. Sisi tunajaribu ndio maana tunajitahidi kutayarisha kliniki kama hizi nyingi, kwa sababu unapokosa leo basi utegemee utapata kliniki nyingine. Na kama hivi sasa hivi tunawaahidi vijana wetu kwamba waendelee kufanya mazoezi na wale ambao wako mitaani watafute vituo, ili kusudi wakati mwingine wote tutaweza kuja kufanya kliniki zingine kama hizi. Tunategemea kufanya kliniki nyingi na tunategemea kupata wageni wengi ambao wanaweza kuja kuhitaji vipaji kutoka kwetu hapa.
Well, it's the same project. It's the second time we do this, but it's maybe my 10th time in Tanzania. So this time, last time when we had this combine, it was to know better the players in Tanzania, and then we have selected a couple of players that went to Europe. Some came back, and this time we have a special guest coming. So I've decided to come a few days before him to prepare the ground with Antonio, my friend Antonio, and it's looking okay. He's doing okay, but he has to be different than last time because the guest is very special, and we have to show him the better side of Tanzania, football-wise. Well, I don't have for today. I don't have surprises because I know almost all of them. Almost all of them. They are basically the same teams that we saw last time that I was here, and it will be more selective this time, because sometimes I do the combines and I put emotions because you have to help the kids and you have to give hope. Even if they are not ready, you have to give them the opportunity to to dream and to motivate the other players. But now it will be more difficult. It will be more difficult because the guest is more demanding, and me too. I have to be more aggressive, and I have to explain to the players that they have to show more all the time, because sometimes they just jog around, and it's not going to be enough. But now, like I said, I don't have a lot of surprises. But I see players that I already know that have the potential, so it's just up to me and the other partners and Cambiaso and all the staff that is here to help me, to talk to them, to coach them so they will know what to do, because they have the potential, but maybe they don't know what it takes and the sacrifices to play in Europe. Maybe they don't know, but we will help them. We'll definitely help them. I would love to have 20 players. I would love to have 20 players, but it's not up to me. It's up to the players to perform on the field. Football is like a pyramid. Pyramid at the bottom, there are a lot of places, but then when you get to the top, only few players will succeed. So we will judge the players on the ability on the field, and also how strong they are mentally. So I cannot give you a number, but the player, I will not be the one picking the players today. I brought a guest that is coming from tomorrow, and he will be the one selecting this time. Of course, because this time it will be Dennis. Dennis has a lot of experience. Dennis, his background, and he's a former coach. He's a sports director. He has a lot of experience compared to me. I'm just the one guiding the young kids, but he's the one that will take the final decision. See if he's happy with one player, he can make a call. He can call Chelsea, he can call Newcastle, he can whatever. So we are doing this for Dennis this time. It's not for me. Last time was for me, but this time you and me, we are doing for Dennis.
There are yes.
Maybe it's going to be 2, maybe it's going to be 0, you know. But I'm not going to be the one to decide. And like I said, we do the combine for Dennis. Dennis will make his report. We will have a meeting after all the games, and he will decide if he's picking 1 or he's picking 2 or he's not. And me too, I will decide if I'm picking 1, 2 or not. Maybe we take 3, I take 2, it's 5. We do this for Tanzania. Potential, player with big potential. That's his first experience in Europe. He went to Europe in Turkey with the national team, but it was for a tournament, you know. And now when you go to a special academy like FC Nantes, like you say here, it's a bit complicated, difficult, so he needs to adjust. Right now he's back, but he will go back because we have to do, we have a procedure with the visas and stuff. But he's a player with a lot of potential and impressed in Nantes. They really like him, and I like Tepsi. I like Tepsi.
Fungua mlango. Jiunge mgonga mtoto.
Hii ni double star.
Double star?
Yeah, double star ni tairi bora na imara, inapatikana kwa Bin Sulumu, inadumu miaka buku.